out in the chemical industry, I usually start with looking where does complexity and cash opportunities exist. I also, when thinking about cost out in the chemical industry, I also think about safety. It's always safety first, but I always look at safety performance. So you're looking at TRIR, or the total recordable injury rate. Although that's a lagging indicator, it's also an indicator of where do opportunities exist. A safe organization is a productive organization. A productive organization is also a profitable organization. So when I'm thinking about cost out, I'm also thinking about looking at indicators such as return on invested capital. So if we look at ROIC and you look at the levers associated with ROIC, it's usually an indicator of where complexity and cash and cost out opportunities exist. So for example, you're looking at complexity associated with a product portfolio, looking at the number of SKUs that you're managing. You're also looking at operations capability, right? What is your performance within operations to deliver on time in full to your customer? That also allows you to look at networking capital opportunities. So what I see in the chemical industry as an opportunity for an overlooked opportunity is really in the area of networking capital. So networking capital, when you're looking at inventories, it's always an indication of where does cash release opportunities exist, but also cost. When we look at end-to-end supply chain, driving an improvement in working capital requires us driving improvement in productivity, right? So those go hand in hand. I also see another overlooked opportunity in the areas of reliability. Again, reliability goes hand in hand with safety, and it also goes hand in hand with driving improvement in net working capital. So when we talk about reliability improvement, it also facilitates improvement in cost, improvements in capacity release. And when you're driving both of those, you're also driving improvement in your overall order fulfillment to your customer. Now, companies that deliver savings from those that do not is primarily a function of leadership. I think leadership is absolutely critical, and it is the key lever that drives cost savings. Importantly, it drives sustainable cost savings. So leadership accountability, leadership ownership for cost out. It's not just leadership needs to define the project as a holistic endeavor, right? It's not just a project, a short-term project. It needs to be a way of defining how we will do work going forward. So a sustainable culture shift in terms of how we operate going forward. Good leaders must also connect that strategy all the way down through the shop floor. So it's not just a program of the day, it's how we will operate going forward. Therefore, defining a continuous improvement or a productivity, as well as a safety culture. That's what defines an organization that will be successful going forward.